Samsung is listening to their consumers. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is almost all out where now everything is confirmed. Meanwhile, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 dominated the first quarter of 2022 in the foldable market. Samsung is going to release Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 in August along with Z Fold 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds. We may see a small price drop in the Galaxy Z Flip 4. But don't expect any big design change in the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Although Samsung tried to change a bit but not much to notice. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below what do you like the most about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. According to the Ice Universe on Twitter, he said, "My fixed guide confirmed his news regarding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 battery. 3700 mAh instead of 3300 mAh that were used in the Z Flip 3. Now the battery is a dual battery pack where we see the one has 2555 mAh capacity and the other one is 1040 mAh battery. And with these numbers, Samsung will achieve big battery numbers on the Z Flip 4 since a lot of people have battery issues on the Z Flip 3 and now it is going to be fixed. With addition to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus since it's launched, we got some numbers. 10% faster CPU and GPU performance, 30% more power efficient than last generation. Big improvement over the last year, and with bigger battery and better power consumption, we can expect a really good battery timing on the Z Flip 4. Another figures that were out is Geekbench of Z Flip 4 and confirming that Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus will be in it and with 8 gigs of RAM, where single core score is around 1277 and multi-core score is around 3642. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 comes with Android 12 out of the box with new features. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 may get a small price drop of around $100 and will cost you around $899, but for now it is not confirmed. And you can get a surprise from Samsung in pre-orders, either Galaxy Buds or big discounts over pre-orders. Everything is almost confirmed except one, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 cameras, and rumors are pointing towards same Z Flip 3 cameras, 12MP main lens, 12MP ultra-wide and 10MP selfie camera. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below what do you like the most about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.